How AI benefits small businesses. What challenges do small businesses face? Lack of funds, lack of time, difficulties finding qualified employees, attracting customers and increasing brand awareness, financial planning, workflow management. How can AI help in marketing? AI uses specific algorithms to analyze the existing data and to find the most popular types of content. Small businesses using AI can understand their target audience better than their non-AI using competitors. How can AI improve customer service? Chatbots can facilitate less time-consuming and more effective communication. AI can also provide personalized recommendations, information about the suggested products, direct clients, and streamline decision-making. How can AI help in cybersecurity? AI deals with cybersecurity, phishing detection, network security, vulnerability management, behavioral analytics, and prevention control. AI is better than traditional tools for data protection, as it tends to respond to any possible data breaches more effectively because of its automated features. How AI boosts revenue. AI can predict future sales and generate numerous forecasts related to logistics, such as the supply and demand balance and inventory prices. The most crucial factor is that AI works fast, expediting the decision-making process. Are there any drawbacks to AI utilization? The efficiency of machine learning algorithms depends on the quality and quantity of data these algorithms are trained on. Some companies face situations where AI's results and behavior is unpredictable and confusing. Thank you for watching.